Yes, yes, Etsy family. Hope you guys are well. Guys, we're back with a fantastic one. And listen, guys, if you're not actually creating your listing, which is actually geared for the gift mode algorithm, I'm going to call it, then you are missing out big time on sales and you're literally putting cash on that table. You're putting cash on that table. You should right now be working towards this algorithm up here near the search bar. This is gold right now. This is where everybody is focused. This is where everybody's transforming their listings or creating new listings so that the gift mode algorithm can favor them. And I'm going to show you what you need to do to get your listings favored, mate. Favored. Anyways, as usual, if you love Etsy products, you love creating, researching, listing, and all of that mad stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and don't forget share, because listen, we need to share so everybody can eat. You know, we all eat together. Anyways, check this out, mate. Listen, the gift mode algorithm is what Etsy has spent a lot of money on creating, pushing, and they want to be known as the go-to platform in the world for gifts, period. Now, what's happening is the gift mode is literally the search engine which finds those perfect listings that people are searching for. So let me just look at that. Look, I've just gone on to Etsy right now. Great gifts for mum, because obviously at the time of doing this video, they're pushing Mother's Day gift. So look, on today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can utilize and use the gift mode, I'm going to call it algorithm, to favor you, and what you need to do in some very simple steps, right? Now, let's get on to this madness. Check it out, man. Now, you can see that every time there's something that's going to come up, Halloween, Father's Day, Christmas, Easter, you're going to see a little tab that appears, just like the Mother's Day gift. In this case, obviously it's a Mother's Day gift because that's what people are looking for at the time of doing this video. But look, we're going to leave that one for now because I think I'll do that another time. I'm more focused on the gift mode tab. This is huge, guys. Let me click on it. All right, let me just click on it just for fun. So check this out. All right. Now look, the gift mode is going to look like this when you click on it. And you've seen it probably. When you click on it, it helps you quickly as a customer find a gift for whoever you want, whether it be mother, husband, wife, you know, boyfriend, girlfriend, whoever it is. It's a way of quickly finding it. And what it does is it asks a series of questions. So for example, who are you shopping for? You might say partner. Boom. So you click that. Next question. It goes to the next question. So what it does is it gives you questions. And then from the questions, it produces answers. And the answers are the listings that it thinks you're gonna like. Okay. Now, what you want to do is you want to be part of those listings that are liked. So let me just go quickly through the process. So partner, let's say, what's the occasion for the partner? It's their birthday, right? I've clicked that. Okay. And then it asks, what are they into? So let's say they're into my partner for their birthday. What are they into? Well, they might be into pets. Yeah, let's say pets. Okay. So what it is narrowing down what the gifts could be, right? And then show me the gift ideas, mate. Show me the money. Show me the gift ideas. And here you go. You got all these ideas, which the algorithm, the AI algorithm has spat out all these different ideas, right? And they break it down, if you like, in different categories in a sense, so that they can cover all the bases for the different types of dog lover gifts, right? Now, when you go into one of the sections, you can always say show all ideas, and then it gives you ideas. Now, look at this. This is what the algorithm picks up. They pick up certain words. So obviously they are thinking that these kind of gifts, like these beautiful dog portraits. Look at this, so cute. But look at Max. Let's look at Max, man. Let's look at Max. So I've just clicked on a listing that the algorithm is kind of pushing, right? And you can see what this product is. This is a product where you'd probably send in a photo and they'll produce it could be a digital art, wall art, or it could be something painted, but it's something that is personalized, it's custom. And this is what they're doing, guys. They are pushing these words, the custom and the personalized listings, products. This is what they are pushing now more than ever. Now I'm going to show you evidence of this even more, right? And you can see, you will be able to see, let me go back. So look, personalized dog portraits, right? Keyword, look, custom dog baseball hats, custom, right? Custom dog portrait ornaments, custom. I feel like a teacher. Custom, personalized. These are the keywords, guys. Gifts, custom, personalized. These are the keywords that people are using now in their listings to get found. Now, you have to think about, what are you selling? What do you sell? Now, you have to think about this carefully. Now, let me come out of this. Let me just come out of this, right? Let me just come out of this. But look, you're going to have to think about carefully what it is that you sell and how can you make it personalized? How can you make it custom? Because look, believe me, anything can be personalized and anything can be done in a custom way, right? You just have to be creative, think about what you're doing, because those listings are at the moment going to make the most money. Look at this. I'm just going to show a quick example. I want to type in tumblers, right? We're going to moving away from pets and portraits, and I'm just looking at tumblers, right? Let me just look at tumblers. Now check this out. Look at this. This is crazy. Now I'm going to go to EVERBEE, my go-to research tool, the one I call EVERBEE, the Nugget Finder. Check it out. Link is right there, free access. This is where I use EVERBEE to help me identify these nuggets, right? I use it for many things, but in this case, look at what I do. So I've just typed in tumblers. Now, what I want you to do, as you see my video, is type in your product, your niche into the Etsy search bar, whatever it is, right? Whatever it is, okay? I want to show you this process. Then what you do is you go to product analytics using EVERBEE, right? You can try it out for free, by the way. Now check this out. This is mad. This is crazy. What do you see when these are, let me just explain something first of all. Let me just go to the entire database. I'm going to look at the top listings, the top selling listings in the Tumblr game, right? The top listings. Now look at this. What do you see? Look at this. This top listing, which is 5 months old, is making $53,984 per month, mate. Per month. Oh my God, it's crazy. It's unbelievable. The next one's 49,000. The next one's 44,000. Next one's 39,000. And this one's only a 3-month-old listing. It's crazy. 3-month-old listing making 39,000. But there's a reason why they are doing well. Look at the keyword. Look at the keyword in the product name. Personalized, right? This one also, I'm sure, has, let me just expand this. Let me expand this, man. Come on, allow me to expand. Let me expand this slightly so you can see the name of these listings clearly. Still have the revenue there. You can see it there on the side. Look, personalized Tumblr, right? The next, that's a top seller, right? It's got personalized as a keyword. The next one is a personalized Tumblr again. The next one, the third one, personalized. Number 4, personalized, right? Number 5, personalized. Number 6, custom, right? Let's go down, right? So what you're seeing is the top selling items in a random niche that I just looked at have the keywords of personalized and custom. Now, obviously, look, they are personalizing these, you know, because the whole idea of personalizing is to actually maybe add a name to the Tumblr that the person that's buying it. So in this case, look, you've got the name Sarah. So obviously what they've done is they've added the name Sarah to the Tumblr and sent the Tumblr product to the customer. So a personalization could be as simple as a name. It could be something like a birth month flower, something that relates to them. Okay, that's the personalization, right? So what I'm saying is, right? What I'm saying is, even on the search bar, even when you're going onto the search bar, these words, these products that have the personalization, have the custom element, are the ones that are gonna be pushed by the algorithm probably more than the other ones, because Etsy at the moment is actually gearing towards the gift market fully. Now, I know that you're going to say to me, yeah, but Etsy's always been a kind of gift platform. Yes, it has. Yes, it has. But at the moment, the push is massive. And so the gift mode, or the gift, if you like, algorithm is becoming what Etsy wants to be known for. So it's always going to favor those custom or personalized products. So your homework for today is got to be, look at your listings. Which ones can you actually make into a sort of add a personalization or a custom element? Now, it's not just a case of just adding keywords, because look at this. If we take this example, let me just take this example. This example, and the reason why it's doing well is not just because of the keywords of personalized and custom, right? But look, personalized is a good word to have in the title. So obviously the algorithm's picking that up. 40-ounce tumbler is actually a very good unsaturated keyword in this case. 40-ounce tumbler is a really good one. What you should be thinking of, how can I add a variety of good keywords in my title, my tags, and in my product description? Because that is how, anyway, generally you're going to get your Etsy, your listing to be favored. But in this case, the reason why it's making that crazy over 50K a month is not only because obviously their product is really good, because you got to have a great product. The product reflects and is in tandem with what they're saying for the title, product description, and for the Etsy, the tags, and obviously the images look great. But the keywords are this: personalized, which is fantastic; 40-ounce tumbler, which is also a really good one; a bridesmaid gift also is a really good one, by the way. And then you got custom as well. So they have hit so many, they've ticked so many boxes to get their listing elevated, guys. And this is so cool, so fantastic. Now, this is what you really need to be focused on. You really need to be focused within your listing is next listings that you start creating. What can I do within my niche that I can make is more personalized, is custom, adding fantastic keywords? And I'll just show you a clear example. I'm going to go to EVERBEE again. I want to go to keyword research, right? And I'm going to just show you some of these great keywords. Now look at this. Personalized. I want to put 40-ounce tumbler, right? Because that was, I guess, some of the keywords that I saw. Now what I've done is I've gone to keyword research using EVERBEE, and then I'm going to see what how good the keyword score is. Now check this out. I'm just going to give you a really rundown example of this and explain it. The search volume for this keyword, personalized 40-ounce tumbler, is 1,476 people search this every single month. The competition is only 1,693, right? Can you check that out? That's crazy. The keyword score is absolutely fantastic. It's 870. This listing is gonna get seen all day long because they have an amazing keyword there. And this is what you need to do. Now, how the keyword score works, it goes from 0 right up to thousands, right? But anything, I would say, anything above 100 is really good. This has 870 as a keyword score, which is absolutely phenomenal. That means it's so unsaturated. They've actually hit a fantastic product. And this is what you need to do. So when you go to something like EVERBEE, before you design, you don't design anything until you've done your research first. You got to check and make sure that the keywords for the product that you want to do are unsaturated, right? You don't want to go into a market that's saturated. Now look, listen to this premise. Tumblers are very popular generally, tumblers, right? Tumblers are very popular. And if you just try to go into tumblers by themselves, then you're not going to get anywhere. It's too saturated, right? There's too many results for tumblers. It's huge, but you have to narrow it down. And how they've narrowed it down for this seller that was really cool is they've gone into personalized and the 40-ounce. And this is what you do. You add keywords and then you niche down. So they've niched down to the 40-ounce and the personalized, and that's where they found those gold. So guys, find your gold. Use something like EVERBEE. The link is just there. Find your gold so that you're able to sell those fantastic products, guys. You know, this is how you do it. This is how you utilize gift mode to your advantage, guys. Right? Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you on the next one.